Hello, magandang umaga. Ako si Patriarch Alduñar. Ako ay 22 years old at magbe-birthday na ako sa January 30. So, today it's January 1st and ang oras ay 5:06 ng umaga. Is it 5:06? No, actually it's 9. It's 9 ng umaga, 9:06 ng umaga. And nagve-video ako for the sake of documentation, journaling. Sobrang saya ko na sinalubong yung 2026. Sobrang nafe-feel ko na maganda yung mangyayari sa akin ngayong taon. Manifesting, hopefully. Pero lahat naman yan nagsisimula sa utak natin. I'm just doing this video talaga for the sake of may babalikan ako next year. Diba? Who knows? And also, kwento ko lang, no? Yung mama ko kasi gusto niya talaga na magsimula ako mag-vlog. And I like the idea, but I always dismiss it. Kasi nakaka-pressure siya pag inuutos sa'yo ng ibang tao. And at the same time, I mean, hindi man ibang tao yung nanay ko, pero basta, alam nyo na yun. Parang pag inuutosan kayo maghugas ng pinggan, kahit gagawin nyo na, yun sa moment na gagawin nyo na, yeah. And at the same time, iniisip ko, ano yung magandang content? Kaso, it's, social media right now, the world of content creation, it's too crowded na eh. Parang, basta, ang hirap. Ang hirap magsimula. Akala kasi ng iba, video ka lang and all that shit. Pero yung totoo, you're going through a lot of process pa para talagang makuha mo yung success. And sa akin naman, siguro, ginagawa ko to for that. I don't know. Pero, ako, talagang binivideo ko lang. Kasi nga, gusto ko lang may babalikan ako. Spontaneous lang to, guys. As in, I'm actually working right now. And naisip ko lang na mag-video. Wala lang. Isipon pa ako, hiling ko lang talaga is matupad lahat ng wish ko. Of course, wish ko na magkaroon ng maraming pera. And yung career ko, and going back to UP, guys, I'll go study and hopefully I survive college again, just like what I did 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago. So excited na for my life. Actually, alam nyo ba? Wait lang ha. Medyo awkward na kausapin mo pala yung sarili mo sa camera. Pero at the same time, it's cool. Cool? Bongga. Ayun. Maybe sa ibang araw, ibang mood naman yung makikita nyo. I don't even know kung naririnig nyo ako ng malinaw. Pero yeah, I just wanna document this. This is just like actually my brain dump right now. Just wanna record this moment and someday balikan, diba? Yun lang. Bye-bye.